When I say, what does one do in this situation? Who is this one that I'm talking about? This impersonal meaning of one is actually pretty interesting because it was influenced by French. The Old English word for one was on, and it was actually kind of pronounced more like on, and the French word for one was on. But in this sense, the French word was only talking about like the one does something thing, not the number. This French impersonal on influenced the Old English on. So this is French influencing a Germanic language. However, a different Germanic language actually influenced the French on in the first place. This is because French on actually comes from the word for man, So it's kind of like saying, what does man do in this situation? And using a Germanic word related to man is actually a really common way of doing impersonal pronouns in other Germanic languages. So for instance, we still see that today in German where they use man as an impersonal pronoun. So French is a Romance language, but they use their word for man, as an impersonal pronoun because of influence from a Germanic language, Frankish, and then it just came back to Germanic again in English.